What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert and customize a table of contents in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing long documents, making navigation much easier for you and your readers. First, it's crucial to ensure your document has headings. You might think you've already set them, but they need to be formatted as headings to appear in the table of contents. Headings essentially structure your document and form the backbone of your table of contents. Starting at the top of your document, select the text you want to designate as a heading. Head to the toolbar, click on Format, navigate to Paragraph Styles and choose your heading level. For the main sections, Heading 1 is ideal. After selecting Heading 1, you can further customize the font size, color or style to your preference. If you make any changes, remember to update the heading style to reflect these changes. Simply reselect your modified text, go back to Format, Paragraph Styles, and click on Update Heading 1 to match. This step ensures your heading style remains consistent throughout your document. Repeat the process for other sections using Heading 2 for subtopics and so on. This hierarchy structure not only keeps your document organized, but also ensures the table of contents reflects the document's flow accurately. Once your headings are set, it's time to add the table of contents. I recommend placing it on its own page at the beginning of the document for easy access. To do this, place your cursor at the very start and press Ctrl and Enter on Windows or Command and Enter on Mac to insert a page break. Then, click where you want the table of contents to appear. Go to Insert on the toolbar. Scroll down to Table of Contents and you'll see a few style options. You can choose from plain text to ones with dotted lines or links. Selecting one with links and dotted lines makes your table of contents interactive, allowing readers to click to specific sections. Once selected, Google Docs will automatically generate the table of contents based on your formatted headings. If you add more sections or make changes to your headings, updating the table of contents is straightforward. Right-click on it and select Update Table of Contents to refresh it with your latest changes. And that's pretty much it. With a few simple steps, you've added a functional and stylish table of contents to your Google document, enhancing its readability and navigability. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.